When I saw these photos, I fell in love with them, but I was kind of skeptical about buying them. I thought it would be weird to have photos of people I didn't know, but I then realized that the photos captured a moment frozen in time and offered a glimpse into the past. They hold secrets and mysteries, so I find it beautiful to treasure them and discover the captivating narratives that they hold. As I walked through the estate sale, there were so many historical items. Family heirlooms, photographs, personal letters, bank statements, and even tax records. And they all dated from the late 1800s to the early 1900s. I was blown away by this, and at first I didn't appreciate the value, however, and the meaning behind these pieces, so I went home, but I couldn't stop thinking about them. So the next day, I decided to go back, and thankfully it was a 2-day estate sale. So when I went back, I purchased almost everything historical and related to the family. This is a ball mason jar. I will go more into it at the end of the video. Here we have a 1975 Anchor Hawking canister. I love the vibrant blue color. This is an Italian-made floral cove mason jar, also made in the 1970s. And these are also beautiful. Next, I purchased a 1970s tapestry needlepoint. It was made in Belgium, and I'm a huge baker, so was thrilled when I found this Nordic ware butt pan from the 1970s. I can't wait to be using it. These are Lodge cast iron skillets, and the 3 notches dated between the 1930s and the 1950s. I love cast irons, so cooking with them is such an amazing experience. Their craftsmanship and durability, they're pretty much timeless. These are mid-modern barware glasses. I'll be going more into those at the end of the video as well, so stay tuned for those. I fell in love with this basket. I'm finding the exact date on it, but stay tuned. At the end of the video, I go more into depths about it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I thought these ads for a grocery store was pretty cool. The date on it said 1993. Since I'm a big cook, I was thrilled to find these classic cookbooks, and they're so beautiful and heavy. And I actually found a little calendar that said 1977 inside, so that was pretty cool. I'll definitely be using these to learn more and enhance my cooking skills. I was really shocked with this book. I picked it up randomly last minute and didn't even look inside of it. So when I got home, I was shocked to see first this letter from 1882, and then see that was made in 1876. I actually found on the Smithsonian website a scan of this book, and I recommend pausing the video for a second and taking time to read this beautiful poem. This was my first estate sale, so I was absolutely shocked with all these items I got, and all for less than $100, so that was pretty cool. I also purchased some furniture, so I will be posting all of those things in a later video, as well as restorations I will do on it, as well as the picnic basket, so stay tuned for those. I dated my mason jars using this guide, and right here's a picture of it, and I learned that it was manufactured between 1923 and 1933, so I thought that was amazing. The picnic basket is made by the Burlington Basket Company. My basket is dating between the 1930s and the 1950s, and I can't wait to restore it. I'm struggling to find the makers of my glasses, but some popular makers from that time were Fred Press and Libby, so if anyone knows, please let me know. These are some of the historical documents I got, so if you'd like to see more about these, subscribe for a later video. And until next time, let's embrace the charm of the past and keep exploring the wonders of history through vintage items and antiques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.